Alright, well, it's after midnight. It's our last night in this house. We bought our new house and we're able to start moving things over there. So my plan here with the Bee Hive is, oh my gosh. What is going on? Well, there's no way I'm gonna move it. I think they're too hot. They're too hot in there. I knew I should have put a screen on the bottom of this thing. I don't have enough holes. And look at them. What are they doing? How am I gonna move this hive? Can't move it like that. That is all around not good right there. Alright, they're starting to like come at me. Oh! Alright. Alright, that one stung me. Well, I've got bad news. It looks like there's still an issue with this hive. They're a lot more cleaned up. I'm not going to stay by them. They're angry. They're a lot more cleaned up during the day, but there's still something going on in here. I gotta come back out here. Unfortunately, this is the last 20 minutes we're allowed to be in this house, so we'll have to work something out with the new homeowners. Maybe come back and get it. Hopefully, we don't have to leave it forever. All right. Well, it's been a couple weeks, and we're gonna go back and we're gonna try to get the hive. So we're at the new house now, and I'm getting some things ready. We've got a trailer over here that we're gonna use. Hopefully we'll be able to move the hive that way. The nights have been cooler, and so I think we'll be able to, the bees should be in, hopefully when we get there just after dark. We're gonna tape it shut. I've got these boards here that I'm gonna use, and my idea is to screw a board to each side of it so that my wife and I can carry it, kind of like a, I don't know, like the 10 Commandments or something, like the Ark, right? So that's the plan. I'm going to tape everything shut, tape all the holes shut, the seams and everything, lock it down really good, and transport it here as carefully as possible. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we're here, and we're just getting ready to go back and take a look at the hive. I'm trying to get ready. The plan is I'm going to get suited up here, go back and tape the hive all up, close every entrance off, and then I'm going to give the suit to my wife, and we're going to carry this thing out. So let's see what happens. Let's take a quick peek here. So I need to make sure that that latch stays shut. I think that the stick is not good enough. I'll have to maybe bolt that closed. I'm going to tape all these gaps here in case they want to get out through those. Everything up top should be sealed, but I'm going to run a piece of tape along the top too. Let's see if they're inside. Oh no, they're not. Dang. Alright, I don't like doing what I just did, but basically I just had to kill every bee that was here, and now I'm just going to tape up the hive as best I can here, and hope that they don't find any magical secret ways out of here, which may happen, I don't know. Looks like I need more tape. All right, I've taped up every possible hole that I can think of. I taped the bottom so it doesn't open up and let 50,000 bees out at us. Taped up all the sides. Everything should be good here. And I've not had any bees in sight, so I'm ready to screw on the arms here. All right, so you get the bee suit, huh?
Yeah.
So what do you think? What do you think could go wrong here?
The hive crashes to the ground.
Yeah, and
It's too
50,000
heavy for-
bees come out and sting us,
Yeah,
or just me?
that you didn't seal up all the holes, and that it's too heavy for us to lift. Which we got the chicken coop, so
All right,
we should be able to do this.
let's do it. Awesome. All right, we're loaded up, strapped down. Hopefully this thing's not going to be moving. Might have to adjust these straps a little bit, but this is the scariest part. All the bumps and everything along the way, and the combs might detach from those top bars and just fall down in there. So I won't really know till tomorrow what the damage is. So we'll see. It's a 25-minute drive at full speed, and this road is awful. I can just watch the beehive bouncing around back there. I don't know if it's gonna make it. We'll see. Oh, we're here. Maybe the bees all left. Maybe there's none in there. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? It made it. I don't see any breaches or anything, so I know we need to get them opened up. It's cold out here tonight. That's why we chose to move them tonight, so they won't overheat in the hive. It's getting down into the 40s and 50s tonight, so it's in the 50s right now. I think that's sufficient to keep them cool enough. So now we just have to move this thing back here into the dark somewhere. And there's a ground bee nest in the ground over here we have to avoid. So this should be fun. Where one leg is on the deck and one's not. Okay, well, this is going to be the final resting place for the hive here at the new house. It's on a south-facing side of the garage. A little detached garage here. There's a nice pasture next to us. Lots of room for them to fly in and out, and lots of fields around here and everything else they can get to. So it's kind of protected from the wind back here also. So let's get off our carrying supports here and open it up. I'm hoping it's cold enough they're not going to come out. They might be super angry though, who knows. Alright guys, I think we're going to leave it at this. This video is probably long enough. The beehive moving drama. I will do an update. We'll take a peek inside the hive here in a few days when I've got some time. And we'll see what kind of condition we're in. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one.